show you how to make soaked science diet kibble, which is the only type of soaked kibble that we use for our animals. Pretty much every patient that we have here, with very few exceptions, will actually eat soaked kibble, so this is a very big staple of food prep here. So what you're going to do is grab a tub and a matching lid from this section up here. This is where these tubs are stored, and this is where you'll find them. I'll show you where to get these supplies. So for soaked kibble, all you're going to be using is water, science diet kibble, and some vitamins, and I'll show you the process. Okay, this is our science diet kibble dispenser. What you do to use this is you put your measuring cup, and this is our kibble measuring cup because it's the perfect size. You get down and you just pull this lever down until you get to about 6 cups, which is the measuring line right here. It should be about that amount. And you just pour it right in here. And then we need about 12 cups to make a good amount of kibble, so we're going to make more. Okay. You just toss it right in there. It's important to note that if you don't close this lever quickly enough, it will spill. It'll just overflow your cup, so you just want to be mindful and pay attention. So, we're going to take this back outside, which is where we'll continue the process. You'll find the vitamins that you need up here, and we use avian calcium and avian vitamins. Okay. Avian Plus and avian calcium. So what you're going to do is you're going to sprinkle the avian calcium and avian vitamins on here. This so far is only avian calcium, and I only use 2 spoonfuls, and I'm going to add another one. Just like so. And what I like to do is I like to stir it around and make sure that it gets on pretty much every piece of kibble. Like that. And then you're going to add your avian plus. You're just going to pour it in. It doesn't matter if it goes over the amount you want to add, like that, because you can work with that. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. So now I'm going to stir this around. And for this kibble, it's made on a 1-to-1 ratio of water to dry kibble. You don't have to worry about how much water you add to it. You just want to make sure that you have enough that it can properly soak up the kibble. Because if you have too much dry kibble and not enough water added to it, it will be very hard, cold, and difficult for them to swallow. So we're going to So what I do is I like to stir the kibble in the water, if I make it this way with the vitamins and then the water. That way I can make sure that the vitamins are actually dissolving. And I like to stir, of course, wear gloves when you do this, and kind of scrape the bottom of the tub and make sure that there are no vitamins clumping together on the bottom. Something that can result from not dissolving the vitamins or not stirring at all in the process is the vitamins will just clump together in specific spots. Sometimes they'll clump together on the top and not actually sift through to the rest of the kibble, and that really does nothing for the kibble. So this is about as good as it gets. You can, in fact, stir longer and make it look better. but I'm reaching in the bottom and I don't feel any vitamins clumping together, so this is pretty good. So then your glove's gonna look like that. Just gonna take that off. And you're gonna put the lid on. You're gonna tape the side or the lid, it doesn't really matter, but as long as people can see it when they reach in the fridge. And you're gonna write soaked kibble. And the soaked kibble, like the fruit salad and like the green salad, expires after 5 days. So the date that you made it, count 5 days from then. So this would expire on the 8th of June since it is the 3rd right now. So then you're just gonna mark it as EXP for expires and then 6/8. And that's how you make soaked kibble.